In this video, we're going to talk about apartments.com. Managing rental properties involves a lot of moving parts. Marketing your listings, finding qualified tenants, handling applications, collecting rent, and keeping communication open. If you've ever tried to juggle all of this manually, you know how time consuming and stressful it can be. That's where Apartments.com's property manager platform comes in. Apartments.com is already one of the most visited rental websites in the United States, which makes it a natural place for landlords and property managers to showcase their units. But what many people don't realize is that Apartments.com also provides a complete property management toolkit, allowing you to not only list and market rentals, but also screen tenants, collect rent online, manage leases, and communicate directly with renters all in one streamlined system. So in this video, we'll walk through the key features and benefits of using Apartments.com's property management tools, explain why it's such a powerful choice for landlords in 2025, and finish it with how it can simplify your day-to-day operations. So for its key features and benefits, first is the easy rental listings with maximum exposure. The first thing Apartments.com does exceptionally well is give your property maximum visibility. By listing your unit here, you're tapping into a massive audience of renters who are actively searching. The platform allows you to create detailed listings with photos, videos, 3D tours, and descriptions that help your unit stand out. Your listing also appears across Apartments.com's network of sites, including For Rent, Apartment Finder, and others. This dramatically increases your chances of filling vacancies faster. So instead of relying only on local ads or word of mouth, your property is seen by thousands of qualified renters who are ready to move. Another key feature is the streamlined applications and tenant screening. Managing rental applications can be overwhelming if done on paper. Apartments.com simplifies this by offering online applications that feed directly into your dashboard. Even better, you can run background checks and credit screenings right from the platform. Renters pay for the application, and you get instant access to their history, creditworthiness, and rental background. This helps you choose the right tenants more confidently while reducing the risk of late payments or property issues. It saves time on paperwork and ensures that every applicant is processed fairly and efficiently. Another key feature is the online rent collection and payments. One of the most powerful features is the ability to collect rent online. With Apartments.com, tenants can pay rent through bank transfer, debit, or credit card, and you'll get notified when payments are made. The system also allows you to set up recurring payments and even handle security deposits digitally. This takes away the hassle of checks, cash, or trips to the bank. Renters appreciate the convenience, and landlords benefit from faster, more reliable payments. You can also keep clear digital records of all transactions, which makes bookkeeping much easier come tax season. Another key feature is the lease management and document storage. Apartments.com also helps you stay organized with digital lease management. You can upload lease agreements, store signed documents, and track important dates like lease start and renewal deadlines. Having everything stored in one place reduces the chance of losing paperwork or missing renewal opportunities. This centralizes all your property related documents, so you don't have to dig through file cabinets or cluttered email threads. Another key feature is the communication and maintenance tracking. So, good communication with tenants is essential for smooth property management. And Apartments.com makes this easier with built in messaging and maintenance request tracking. Tenants can submit repair requests online and you can assign them to vendors or keep notes on progress. This reduces miscommunication and helps you respond to tenants more quickly. Instead of juggling texts, emails, and calls, all your tenant communication is in one place. So, why is this platform a great choice? The real strength of Apartments.com is that it combines massive rental market exposure with powerful property management tools. Many platforms either specialize in marketing or in rent collection and tenant management, but Apartments.com offers both in one ecosystem. For landlords, this means you can handle the full rental life cycle without piecing together multiple services. From listing and marketing to screening, leasing, rent collection, and communication, everything flows through one central dashboard. It's also incredibly scalable. Whether you manage one property or dozens, the platform grows with you. Smaller landlords benefit from simplicity, while larger property managers gain efficiency and automation. And because the platform is widely recognized and trusted by renters, it adds credibility to your listings right away. So basically, Apartments.com isn't just a place to post a rental ad. It's a complete property management solution designed to help landlords save time, reduce stress, and build stronger tenant relationships. So, for landlords and property managers in 2025, Apartments.com provides one of the easiest way to market properties, manage tenants, and keep operations running smoothly, all from one platform. So if you're looking to simplify your property management while reaching more renters, Apartments.com is definitely a tool worth adding to your workflow. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.